During my research on Amazon, I found a top secret and very hot unsaturated niche, and I was flashed seeing that books are making up to $31,000 per month, and even one book in this niche is making currently $180,833 per month. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living that life of financial freedom. If you haven't done yet, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future niche videos and topics round about KDP. As I mentioned in the intro, in today's video, I want to show you a very hot unsaturated niche where you can make up to $30,000 in a single month with only one book. The books in this niche are a mix between high content and low content books. I want to show you what niche this is, how you can publish a book in this niche. I'll show you relevant keywords that you can use in your title, subtitle, in the 7 backend slots, and even in your book description. So have fun with this video, and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So currently I'm at Amazon.com, and as you can see, the niche I am talking today is the manifesting journaling niche, especially 369 manifesting. 369 manifesting is a method to manifesting your dreams, your wishes, and your needs. The 369 method involves writing down what you would like to manifest. So for example, you would like to manifest to become rich, to become successful, and therefore you have to write it down 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the day, and 9 times in the evening. So this is the 369 manifesting method, and the books in this niche are a mix of high content and low content. In a few minutes, I will show you how the books look like and what you need to do to create a book in this niche. But before we start with this topic, let us have a quick niche analyze, and I will show you how profitable this niche could be. So the first thing, I am at Amazon.com. I selected the books category, and you can see we have 5,000 search results. So not too high, not too low, a very good amount of books. The next thing, we want to look if there is enough demand on the books. So how low are the BSRs, best-selling ranks of the book? And as you can see, the first book has a BSR of 352, and this book is making $180,000 in a single month. The next book, BSR 1,480. The next book, 6,600. The next book, 3,900. The next book, 2,400. So every book in this niche is selling so good, and is making between $20,000 and $40,000 in a single month. And I am sure with a good cover, a good title, a good book, and advertising, you can achieve this amount of money as well. So therefore, the niche is very lucrative, very low BSRs. And in the next step, I will show you how you can create a book in this niche. So I opened one of those books, and you can see all the books are built up in the same way. And the first thing, you have the high content part with a table of contents and introducing the reader or the buyer into the 369 method. So you are explaining what this method is. Explain a little bit of the history of the method and how the buyer has to use this workbook. Okay, therefore you are writing between 10 and 20 pages with high content text, and after this you make the low content part of this book, and this is creating pages that look all the same and gives the buyer the opportunity to use the 369 manifestation method to write down 3 manifestations in the morning, 6 during the day, and 9 in the evening. So you can create a page like this where the buyer has to write down his goals, his wishes, his needs, and as you can see, you have, for example, this kind of topic, 3, 6, 9, morning, afternoon, evening, and those pages are all in the same way. So you have to create a mix of high content and no or low content book. And as you can see, the next very good thing, it doesn't take much time to create one of those books. The covers are looking okay, but you can easily compete with these books and have a closer look on the prices for paperbacks. $27, $18, $18, $15, $10. And as you can see, you can price the books really, really high. You don't only need to create 100, 120 pages. So you make a big amount of royalties, up to $5, $6, $7 per sale. And this niche is so hot, and I'm thinking that I'm going to publish also in this niche. Of course, we need keywords for our title, subtitle, the 7 keyword boxes, and therefore I'm using PublisherRocket. If you're interested in PublisherRocket, first link in the video description. I can highly recommend to you to buy this tool. It's a one-time payment for only $97. You will never pay again. All new features, updates, releases are in this price included. And the best part, it is completely risk-free because you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if the tool is not satisfying you enough, you can get your money back. I can highly recommend to you to buy this tool. It's very cheap, very profitable. First link in the video description. So right now we are at PublisherRocket, and you can see a ton of different keywords. For example, manifestation journal for beginners, for women, for black women, manifestation and affirmation. And you can see the monthly earnings per keyword are so high: $11,000, $31,000, $6,000, $10,000, $4,900. And it doesn't matter what type of keyword I'm looking for. Manifesting journal, 24,000. Manifesting journal for women, 10,000. 369 manifesting, 26,000. So as you can see, it doesn't matter what type of keywords you are using. You have so much potential in each keyword, very high search volume per keyword, and you can use all of these keywords in your Amazon KDP dashboard. Or of course, you can use Helium 10. Helium 10 is the best tool right now at the market, but the most expensive tool. But I have a cooperation with Helium 10, and you can use one of my codes. For example, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months if you're using MK Publishing 6M20. You can see the 6 months, 20% less, has a total value of $120. And as you can see, you can typing in, for example, in the tool Magnet Manifestation Journal, you can see a search volume of 21,500. So 21,000 people per month searching for this types of books. And you can see a bunch of different keywords. For example, manifestation journal again for women, a planner, 369 manifestation journal, search volume 793. So again, if you want to use Helium 10, use the second link in the video description, use the code and get it 20% cheaper. So the last thing is we need a good looking cover with 369 on its front page in a very good design. And have a look at this cover. It doesn't look really good, but have a BSR of 6,000. Or this cover, it's self-made, I think. It doesn't look good. This cover doesn't look good. This cover doesn't look good. But as you can see, the BSRs are very low with these types of covers. And you can use, of course, Fiverr to get your own cover. You're typing in Amazon KDP cover. You can check out the third link in the video description. Searching for a good looking cover, for example, this guy here, or this guy here, or even this guy here. Write them, text them that you need a good looking cover for Amazon KDP, write them the title and subtitle, and then get for $10 your good looking cover, and then you're ready to go. The only thing you need to do is to upload your book on Amazon through your Amazon KDP dashboard and earning up to $30,000 a month. So I hope that you like this little niche video. I think I'm going to publish book also in this niche because it's very unsaturated and the amount of money that you are earning is so high that it would be a waste of time not to dive in this niche. So thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, put a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos of hard Amazon KDP niches. I wish you a very good day and we will see you in the next video.